Hi, it's me, Engineer Cha. For today's video, I'll be sharing about the multiplication of integers. Meron akong given signs, answer sign, given, pati answer. Kapag nag-multiply daw tayo ng parehas positive, ang magiging sagot ay positive. Halimbawa, 9 times 8 is equal to positive 72. Kapag nag-multiply naman daw tayo ng parehas negative, ang magiging sagot, positive pa rin. Halimbawa, negative 8 times negative 7 is equal to positive 56. Kapag nag-multiply tayo na may isang negative, ang magiging sagot ay negative. Like 10 times negative 5, negative 50. Negative 6 times 8, negative 48. That's all I have. So if you have any ideas for a computation related topic, please free to comment below. Thank you.